So hello guys, today in this video I gonna show you how to fix not responding error while playing any game. But guys, I don't know that it will work on your PC or not. And if you have a low-end PC, then there is a chance that this will not work in your PC. And one more thing guys, if you are playing GTA 5 without social club account, then after this process you have to do that process again, which I show you in my video how to skip social club account sign in GTA 5. So let's start the video. First of all, click on Settings icon. After that, click on Properties. And then click on Installed File. And then click on Verify File Integrity of Game. This will help you to fix all the error in your game file. And one more thing guys. If you downloaded GTA 5 and playing it through my video on how to skip social club account in GTA 5, then you don't need to open Steam again. To play GTA 5, just create a shortcut link of playgta5.exe on your desktop. And when you want to play GTA 5, just click on playgta5.exe. Thanks for watching the video.